Hello everyone. Today I'm going to read chapter number 9, Solar and Lunar Eclipses, from Frank Primary Social Studies book for class 5 ICSE board. Now let's get started with the chapter Solar and Lunar Eclipses. What is an eclipse? An eclipse occurs when a heavenly body gets in the way of the sun's light. There are two kinds of eclipses which we experience on the earth, namely the solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse. Let's discuss solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the sun and the earth and casts its shadow on the earth. It gets dark during the day when the solar eclipse occurs. A total solar eclipse occurs when the sun is completely blocked. A partial solar eclipse occurs when a part of the sun is blocked. You can see the solar eclipse in the image given on the right corner. Moving further, let's understand lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse occurs when the earth passes between the moon and the sun. The shadow of the earth obscures the moon wholly or partially. In a lunar eclipse, the moon passes directly behind the earth into its shadow. Thus, the sun, the earth and the moon are aligned in a straight line with the earth in the middle. You can see the lunar eclipse in the image. The earth lies between the sun and the moon, and you can see the picture of total lunar eclipse given here. We can look at a lunar eclipse with our naked eyes. Make a note, children, this is important. We can see the lunar eclipse with our naked eyes, but this is not in the case for the solar eclipse. However, it is dangerous to look at a solar eclipse with our naked eyes. Make a note. Such an action may cause permanent damage to our eyes. This is the reason why we must not see the solar eclipse with our naked eyes. We should use special eye protection filters while watching the solar eclipse. And that is the end of the chapter. Now let's read the vocabulary of the chapter. First is align, to organize things so that they form a straight line. Obscure, to cover something so that it cannot be seen. Plane, a flat surface in which a straight line between any two points will lie completely on that surface. Let's move further for the quick recap of the chapter. Eclipses. First is solar eclipse, second is lunar eclipse. So, solar eclipse, the moon comes between the earth and the sun, and in lunar eclipse, the earth comes between the sun and the moon. Please make a note, children. Let's discuss the true and false. Number 1, we experience 3 kinds of eclipses on the earth. This is false because we experience 2 kinds of eclipses, that is solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Number 2, during a solar eclipse, the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. This is true. Number 3, we should never look at a lunar eclipse with our naked eyes. This is false. We can look at a lunar eclipse with our naked eyes, but not the solar eclipse. So this is false. I hope you liked the video, children. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel Smart Kids Wonder. Thank you, children. Happy learning.